So আমরা এখন we are just streaming live. একটু দেখতে পাচ্ছি meeting is now streaming live on Facebook. So we are just waiting যে আমি যেখানে দেখতে পাবো it is streaming properly stream করছে. Let me know. So give us let's just wait for 2 minutes for the entire thing to be set up.
Yeah,
Live now.
Live now. Okay.
আমাকে বলছে live now.
Okay, so if you want, you can share that also. If you wanted your other friends to.
Okay. I can share in my page, I think.
Yes, you can do all that,
I mean,
and then in the meantime, we will all share wherever we have to, and then we can start with our session.
It will come in my news feed, but naki notification.
It will come in your news feed.
Okay.
Once you are done, Tapara, you just come back with your video and everything. Let me know, Chandri, when you are ready, okay?
Yeah.
Mami live.
So, all right. So, thank you for those people who have joined us on live. So, today it's the music healing session, and it is the month of November. And today we are live with Chandri, and you can also see Shrestha. You can see me as well. So, both of us are going to coordinate with Chandri, and who is the guest of honor for today. So, Chandri, whenever you're ready, please unmute yourself and please also turn on your camera. So, let's just wait for Chandri to come back.
Yeah, we can go ahead.
So you can turn on the your video, Chandri.
Yeah, but then
I
how
can't see
to
you.
turn it? Oh my God.
You go back to your Zoom thing. Zoom where the place where you have unmuted yourself. Just beside that, you have the video option. You can
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah. Good. Okay. একটু দূরে চলে যাও, otherwise we can't see you. Better. Okay.
Yeah,
So
now
we
it's
are.
fine.
Yes, it is, and so we all are live now on Facebook. So Chandri, thank you so much for agreeing to come to our page. Thank
It's
you
not
so much.
agreeing. It's my pleasure. Yeah. Hi.
All right. So, how many people are watching us live right now? 6 people are watching us live right now.
How
So,
many people?
as of now, 6, and
Okay.
more
Hi,
and more
6
people
people.
come. So, Chandri, before we say anything, why don't we
Okay.
start with the song? Because it's music healing. Why don't we start with the song from your end?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So, I'm Chandri. I'm going to sing for you Love You Zindagi, because Zindagi is very precious and we should love. So, it goes like this. जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय हाय जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो bye 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 आने दो दिल पे आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को bye 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 love you जिंदगी love you जिंदगी love you जिंदगी love me जिंदगी कभी हाथ पकड़ के तो मेरा चल दे कभी हाथ चुरा के मैं तेरा चल दूं मैं थोड़ी सी मूरी हूँ तो थोड़ी सी टेरी है क्या खूबी ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी ओ मैं थोड़ी सी मूरी हूँ तो थोड़ी सी टेरी है क्या खूबी ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी आने दो दिल से आ जाने दो कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 love you जिंदगी love you जिंदगी thank you
Wow,
Wow.
awesome.
Wow.
thank you so
And
much
this was like very infectious. This song was very infectious, and whoever is not loving Zindagi will also fall in love with Zindagi. It's beautiful.
True,
Gonna
absolutely.
comments?
Yeah.
I know
সবাই বলছে ওয়েলকাম এন্ড মোনা চক্রবর্তী বলছে হাই
hi
ওকে
hi thank you
So, Chandray, we have around 800 people in our page connected in
oh
Facebook.
my god that's so
So,
nice
slowly and slowly, people will watch this. Now, those who are not even watching us live, they will watch later on the recorded version.
yeah
So, they would
sure
like to know about
sure
you. Like, who is Chandray? Who
okay
is this face? Because they know us, both of us, but they
right
don't know you. So,
right
why don't you talk
yeah
about yourself?
sure.
Who like about
Okay, so who I am? Good question. Okay, fine. So I am Chandri, which means moon's light. But unfortunately, I wouldn't say unfortunately, it must have some other reason to not have that so-called light in my eyes. Means to say in a lucid way, I am visually challenged. I have just 5 to 10% vision. Means the phone is like in front of me. I cannot see the phone. Basically the sound, like with which I am just focusing straight away, I feel that yeah, this is the phone, and like towards which I need to see. And I got this I got this treatment diagnosed in the year of 2008, yeah, 2008. And before that I used to be a so-called general girl. Like I used to study with the help of pen, paper, by saying. But after 2008, my life has completely changed in terms of my education, because doctor told me that I cannot see within 2 years. I will be completely blind. And I really love dancing, and he have asked me to stop dance also. So after that, honestly speaking, I don't know how many people are like really believe God in this group. But then seriously, I really felt that spiritual power around me. And I felt that that is one power. Of course, my willpower is always there. Till today, I'm just proceeding with my education and doing everything. I'm a professional dancer, I'm a singer, and also I'm a professional theater artist. So these are the things which I am doing still now. Yes, for my vision, I really feel very much difficulties when I travel alone. I have to use a stick with me, a blind cane. I think you all have seen that while I travel. At night, it is very, very, very difficult for me to even carry the cane and walk also, because it is completely dark for me. It is completely dark for me. And till 6 o'clock or 6:30 till the sun rises there. I can manage. I can manage anyhow to travel. Uh, even I have done a lot of work which was really impossible right now to feel also, because previously I used to glass paint, I used to paint, I used to do a lot of crafts work. So the transition, I will not make you upset now. The transition, let me contrast and compare and tell you. See, it is, everybody have their own challenges. Everybody have their own challenges. Let me clear it. It's not that I am visually challenged, that means I only have challenge in my life. Everybody have their own challenges, but the challenge is much more when you face it suddenly, when you face it suddenly. It was not there before. For example, if a complete blind guy or a complete blind girl, whatever it is, for him or her, who is Shah Rukh Khan or who is Priyanka Chopra or any other movie artist you call, or any fruit, vegetable, whatever you see. So for them, it is, they do not know how this looks. For us who are late blind or late person with disability, for them it is very difficult, because for example, I'm telling you, I have seen Ishq Vishk Pyar Pyar of Shahid Kapoor, and after that, right now I really don't know how Shahid Kapoor looks right now, because that face is there in me right now. So right, also there are many visually challenged friends of mine are there who enjoy complete visually challenged, who enjoy movies a lot, but for me I really don't enjoy, because previously I could see very nicely, but right now it is not there. So these are the things which is, it has a huge story, but then I feel that everybody have their own challenges, and I'm coping up every day. uh, Regarding people acceptance, I used to struggle a lot with myself. Why people are telling me handicap, why people are telling me, oh bichari, oh why she can see. Lot of things I could, I really felt it was very difficult for me to manage. But right now, Chandri have become much more stubborn. I won't say 100%. It is taking time. I'll be surely. But right now, I feel that it's okay. I am visually challenged, so it's okay. No problem. Um, I am not. I'm not behind changing myself, or I am not. Why I'm visually challenged? It's okay. I mean, fine. It has some plan behind it. So whatever my challenges are, I try to cope up with it, and I try to focus in my abilities rather than my disabilities. So that's all a nutshell I want to say. Thank
Wow. I mean, for the first time, like maybe after a long time, I'm at loss of words. I don't know what to say because you are a living inspiration, Chandri. In fact, in the group in which we all
Thank
are
you so much.
connected, you are an inspiration
Yeah.
to a lot of people who actually feels upset with very little things. And here there is someone who is actually fighting with so many things on a daily basis, every minute, every second. And when you was talking about that movie thing, that how you remembered that face of Shahid Kapoor, and suddenly now you do not know. I can just maybe minuscule of it. I can understand how you must be feeling. Trust me, we don't understand. When we say we understand, we don't understand. We are not even
Yeah,
close to
I understand.
understanding.
Exactly.
Yeah, we are not. We
No.
don't know how
Yeah.
it feels when you don't have eyesight. We don't know how it feels. So I I don't know what to say right now, but yes, I think with so much of positivity that you have within you, would you like to sing another song for us? And before we do that, there are few comments that we have. Okay.
Okay.
Sure, sure.
So
Yeah.
Indrashista is telling hi, and Urungan is telling very interesting. Shutavagan is telling very much pleased to see
Thank
you
you so
live.
much.
Chandray, much love to you
Thank
all.
you so much.
Shruti Karma is
Thank you.
telling hi. I love you, bacha.
Hi,
Tumpa Datta
Shruti.
Chaudhary.
I love you too, Shruti.
Tumpa Datta Chaudhary is telling hi. And Santi Ranjan
Hi,
Paul.
Ma.
Chandray is saying amazing words, and she is amazed.
Thank you, Uncle.
Sorry, he is
Thank you so
amazed
much.
every time he sees you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And I don't disagree why they won't be amazed looking at you. I mean, you have
Absolutely.
every reason to feel amazed. Yeah.
It's
So,
all God's power, seriously.
yes. So Chandni, and the next song for
Yeah.
us from you.
Okay. Oh
What
God.
would be the
I
next
really
song?
want to learn more songs, but then from childhood only, I am just singing 1, 2, 3 songs. Those are I'm singing every places. But I'll learn more songs, honestly, next time. Okay, so now I'm going to sing something. Okay, so it's Kaisi Pahili Zindagani. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah. Bear with my wrong lyrics. Okay. So नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं क्या sorry I'm singing again yeah okay नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं पुरानी ओह कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी नहीं 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 ये बातें हैं पुरानी कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी जू 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 ला 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 पीले इसमें नशा जिसने पिया वो गम भी हंसा सोनी डगर पे जैसे सोनी ये छाँव है सुहानी कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी पानी फसाए और पानी रुलाए कहानी ला 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 कैसी पहेली है ये कैसी पहेली जिंदगानी उफ baby thank you
Wow. So we have a lot of comments, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
oh god interesting
Okay, the Tumpa Datta Chaudhary is auntie. She's her mother. Okay.
yeah
There is one song request for you, Chandri. Um,
oh my
from
god that's scary
from Sambit Samanta. He is saying to Pal Pal
okay
Wala Gana. Pal Pal Wala Gana.
okay thank you. So let me say you about the person who have requested me. He is my 8 years of my you can say soulmate. He really loved me and cared me the way he could, despite of his family barrier, because his family never want me to be with him, like, for my disability. But he's the person who is fighting each and every day, and trying to be with me, but I don't know what is our destiny. That's all. Thank you so much. I'm singing this song. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. हाँ. पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल दिल में मची है हलचल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल la 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 वो हम सफर लगता है डर रात कटे ना कभी हो सहे इस पल में सिमटे रात कटे ना कभी हो सहे दिल की इतनी सारी बातें कैसे लिखोगे इस छोटे खत पर दिल की इतनी सारी बातें कैसे लिखोगे इन छोटे खत पर दिल पर उठा है ऐसा कहीं तुमको पाकर है छोड़ कदम प्यार का ये ढाई आके कैसे लिखोगे इस छोटे खत पर ला 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 la 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 la. Thank you so much. Now, please, Sipanita ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Chandri. Thank you. I mean, I think before we move
Yeah.
on, there are quite a few comments that have come.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, outstanding singing. Someone is saying Chandray dances and sings impossibly beautifully and also does yoga.
Oh my God. Who
Shruti
is this?
Sharma is
Who is this? Yeah.
Shanti Ranjan
Okay.
Paul. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah.
you are just my baby doll bestie from Shruti.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
oh God,
Yes.
you are
Yeah.
such a powerhouse of talent. Awesome. Thanks for memorizing my evening from Sambit.
Okay. Who is this? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
So, Chandri, so much,
Yeah.
so much of positivity. It's not easy with, fighting something on a daily basis and still maintaining so much of positivity is definitely not easy. So, before we move on to that aspect, I really want to know how music has
Yes.
helped you in this way. Like, you know, this and maintaining this positivity. Did art forms, music, dance, theater, all these three are expressive art forms. So, did this how this
Exactly.
art form is helping you to heal yourself with whatever difficulties you have?
Okay. Uh, so okay, so this art form, initially, like from my class one or infant, I would say. So from that time, I used to participate in each and every program in my school, each and every program. Like, oh my God, I never used to miss one. Um, and that time I could see the steps of my teacher. So let me elaborate and say you so that people will understand how it evolved in my life. So I could see the steps of the teachers and everything, and even while music classes or music competition, music shows, I could read the music, read the song, see the song and sing. Okay, and also same goes with the drama. But over the period of time, class 8 9, I could feel that my classmates never used to include me in their programs like dance, music, theater and everything, because they had to give much more effort on me in terms of showing the steps, in terms of showing telling me the my dialogues, the words of the songs. So I could feel that I am completely aloof from everybody. But after my schooling, I could see during my college days, the first drama the theater show that I have done with RJ Den. RJ Den is a radio jockey of Calcutta. So, like with him, I did Nirbhaya drama, and I did 3 4 shows of it. So there I could feel that the aloofness and the segregation that I have felt in my school, when I am with a differently able community or the group, it is very much easy. Why I'm telling you? Because the director which I had, whom I have, she was very understanding because she has her own son mentally challenged. So each and every dialogues she used to memorize to me. Like she used to tell me, and I used to memorize. Okay, so this way I did a lot of shows, and after that I was associated with lot of groups, and I did shows in different places. So here, why I described about my shows, the reason behind that is the evolution. Art which I used to do in my school time, it was very comfort zone art that enjoyed I enjoyed with everybody. Parents are coming to see my program, changing dresses with others, like that general perspective. But after my disability, the art I pursued, the art I did with my disability community, even I perform lots of shows in Mumbai. I'm staying in Mumbai, living in Mumbai right now. So we have lots of shows, like 29th Feb only I did my last show this year in Lalit's Hotel, where Priya Dutt has come. So those things I could feel when I am in the disability field. It is completely different. And why it is different, I am understanding art in a different way, a more uh, patience. For me, art has shown me patience, because previously it was very easier for me to cope up the steps. Even half of my shows I only choreograph myself. Mostly the shows which I need to cooperate with my partner, my teacher teaches me, and she gives me lot of time. My goodness, I'm so thankful to her. She gives me lot of time. Even I have performed in a show in Vapi. I remembered a classical performance. I am not trained in classical dance. She literally touched my hand and showed me the Bharatnatyam steps, which was very difficult for me to cope up. And yeah, so it was very much interesting. And art, the question I'm coming, your perfect question, I know I've elaborated a lot to make people understand that how it like how my transition took place. Art has really helped me to be happy, in one word. Because I have felt one thing, that when I'm upset, if I'm singing, and even I consider yoga also under expressive art, when I practice this type of art, and dance, so that is my godfather. Like when I practice this word, this type of expressive arts, I could feel my hormonal homeostasis is taking place. So there are a lot of hormones like serotonin, dopamine. So when I am sitting on the chair and just in front of my laptop and typing and finding it so disgusting, I could, like today only I was telling to my mother, ma, my career should be related with art. I will be very happy. So it really helps me a lot. It really helps me a lot. Yeah.
I mean, yes, of course it would. So before I ask the
Yeah.
next thing, and I would like to ask if there is any comments.
Yeah.
No, there are no comments. Okay. So would you like to move on with your fourth song?
Yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah, so my fourth song, I would love to sing a Bengali Rabindra Sangeet. Okay,
Okay,
so
wonderful.
it's yeah, again, bear with my lyrics in all the languages, because I really I forgot lyrics very soon. তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে, তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে, তোমার খোলা হাওয়া টুকরো করে কাছে আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি, আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি, তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে, তোমার খোলা হাওয়া সকালে আমার গেল মিছে, বিকেলে যে যায় তারই পিছে গো, সকালে আমার গেল মিছে, বিকেলে যে যায় তারই পিছে গো, রেখো না বেঁধো না কোলের কাছাকাছি, আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি, আমি ডুবতে রাজি আছি, তোমার খোলা হাওয়া লাগিয়ে পালে, তোমার খোলা হাওয়া মাঝির লাগি আছে জাগে সকল রাত্রি বেলা, ঢেউগুলো যে আমায় নিয়ে করে কেবল খেলা, মাঝির লাগি আছে জাগে সকল রাত্রি বেলা, ঢেউগুলো যে আমায় নিয়ে করে কেবল খেলা, ঝড়কে আমি করব মিতে, ধরবো না তার ভ্রুকুটিতে, ঝড়কে আমি করব মিতে, ধরবো না তার ভ্রুকুটিতে, দাও ছেড়ে দাও ও গো আমি তুফান পেলে বাঁচি আমি, ডুবতে রাজি আছি তোমার খোলা হাওয়া, লাগে পালে তোমার খোলা হাওয়া। থ্যাংক ইউ।
আমিও ডুবে যাবো এরকম গান করলে।
হ্যাঁ।
ওকে, কিছু
মলি
কমেন্টস
মজুমদার
এসছে,
বলছে
চেষ্টা করবো।
পা আহ, বা খুব
থ্যাংক
সুন্দর।
ইউ মালি
একজন
আন্টি।
বলেছে বলছে ইউ আর সো মেলোডিয়াস, আই ওয়ান্ট ইউ টু সেন্ড মি দিস সং ইন ইয়োর ভয়েস টু নাইট। খুব মিষ্টি হয়েছে, অসাধারণ।
হু ইজ দিস?
Lots of
নাম কি? আমি নামই তো চিনি না।
যেগুলো বলেছে সে শ্রুতি বলেছে যে টু সেন্ড ইউ দিস সং, এন্ড খুব মিষ্টি হয়েছে সম্বিত বলেছে।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। হ্যাঁ,
খুব
থ্যাংক
ভালো গাইছে তুমি, খুবই ভালো।
ইউ সো মাচ চেষ্টা।
সো চান্দ্রে, তুমি নিজে একটা মানে অ্যাপার্ট ফ্রম দিস আর্ট ফর্মস, তুমি আই হ্যাভ হার্ড দ্যাট
আমি
ইউ
একটা জিনিস
ওয়ার্ক।
বলতে চাই,
ইয়েস।
sorry to interrupt, আমি একটা
নো
জিনিস
প্রবলেম।
বলতে চাই। So when Deepanita ma'am is coming and asking me that, yes Chandri, I am becoming much more conscious, because let me tell you all who do not know Deepanita ma'am, who is coming on behalf of me, I mean from my side. Deepanita ma'am is a mental health professional, and she has much more knowledge in on the field of therapy, in the field of expressive art therapy. So when you are asking me question, I'm feeling very much conscious. Oh my god, now some technical question will shoot towards me, and how will I answer? I don't know. So yeah, yes, Ma'am, you
Trust me,
can
I'm
go
not going to
ahead.
ask you any technical question. So
Okay.
it's and I would like the way you call me usually, Deepanita Di. Ab ma'am kahan se aa gaya? I don't understand.
Okay.
Di was fine.
Yeah, I felt it is much more professional, so
It's okay.
yeah,
I think
okay,
mental health is
Didi.
less of professional and more of emotional. And as long as we keep the
Exactly,
emotions in place,
exactly.
we will be able to take care of the profession as well.
Absolutely,
Right? So,
absolutely,
good
absolutely.
point that you brought up, because I was asking you the question related to the same thing only. So, I heard from
Okay.
one of my confidant that you also work with children of Dharavi. You worked with children of Dharavi, right?
Ah, yeah. How do you know? I
I
don't
have
know.
mere
Okay, good.
jasoos. I have a lot of jasoos.
Ah,
So, Chandrik, with
okay.
so much of difficulty, you're still
Very.
working yourself in the field of mental health. You're working with children. So, can you share your experience with us about that?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, well, listening that I feel very, oh God, okay, fine. Yeah, I'm telling you. Yeah, so so I am pursuing now masters in social work, and my field is something too much challenging. All the fields are challenging, but then this field is something, you are not a doctor, but then you are still undergoing like a journey of surgery of your brain, because you have to undergo throughout the day of different people challenges, like somebody is facing some mental health issues, or somebody lost their parents, somebody cannot I mean they do not have food to survive, they don't have dress to wear, so the needs, they do not they cannot fulfill that, the basic needs. So all total, it is very challenging. So in my first placement in sense, like we had to do internship. In this year also I'm doing internship with organization. So in my first placement, I placed in Youth for Jobs. It's an organization which works with a person with disability, and we work, I used to work and they are still working right now. We kind of visited a lot of slums in Mumbai. Among them, I visited to Govandi. It's a garbage slum sort of thing. I think you must be knowing about it. And also Dharavi. So I have visited to Dharavi to find out that how many people are there who are person with like disabilities, all the disabilities, not only visually challenged, all the disabilities. And once we will get them, we will bring them to the organization so that we can get them a lot of facilities in terms of getting job or their day-to-day important things which they do not have. So I visited to Dharavir, and when I stepped into that community, it was like the way I did now. And all the shikayats, all the complaints that I was holding before I visited there was gone. I felt that like sometimes I used to feel, oh God, I cannot have Barbecue Nation's food every month. Maybe I never had this thought, but I'm just comparing with my friend's thought and my mixture. Oh God, Baskin Robbins का आइसक्रीम तो मैंने कभी खाया ही नहीं, मैंने कभी छुआ ही नहीं, क्या होता है Baskin Robbins. But when I have entered, yeah, in Dharavi there are a lot of rich people. Huh? I must clear you. Huh? There are a lot of rich people, but maximum people are really struggling with their life a lot. And from Dharavi, there are so many women who cannot run their family. They go to Kamahatipura. So Kamahatipura is a brothel house place. So that's a different story. So in Dharavi, when I stepped into that place, I met a family uh, who, like that couple. I mean, that parent have two daughters. Okay, one of them was complete blind, multiple disability she had. She had my way because I don't know. I thought, I mean, as just a few days before, I heard that this girl was not coming to his to this NGO, and they heard from somewhere, I don't know from where, that this girl is no more. I don't know from. I mean, I really don't know this news how much it is authentic. So this girl had lot of disabilities, multiple disabilities. She couldn't see, she couldn't talk, she couldn't hear, and as a result, she accumulated lots of frustration in her, lots of frustration. So what she used to do, she used to break all the furnitures, all the materials in her house. And her father used to be a daily wage one earner. I don't know what is the condition right now. So when I asked them that, can I take your daughter for some counseling or to get her a job, whatever she can. See, of course, to be very practical, she might not get a job like in a corporate setup or somewhere a traditional or a formal job, but we can do something for her anyway. Like we can put her into some crafts work or something. So they told me, क्या आप लोग तो आते हो, दया दिखाते हो और चले जाते हो 2 दिन बाद. So, and trust me, ma'am and Shrestha, they were not at all wrong in their point. Honestly, I also feel, that we social workers, not only we social workers, we people who are so-called people who are established, or you can say so-called sophisticated or so-called sober people, we can just go to them for once in a month or uh, once in 6 months, to ask them, fine, everything is fine, everything is all right, do you need some help? That's all. What about the follow up? So I felt that, what I felt in a gist, like in a nutshell, I want to say, जितना भी social workers आ जाए, जितना भी community workers आ जाए, जितना भी कुछ भी आ जाए, politicians आ जाए, कोई भी आ जाए, it's you who have to get up each and every moment. It's you. How many lucky people are there like Shrestha and me who will get Dipanita ma'am. Or like, for example, there are so many people who are surviving every day, but they do not have the follow up. That follow up is very important. That follow up might be we couldn't do, might we couldn't do. But then I feel that it was very much depressing. That's why from this case I understood, if you're falling down, you have to get up. If you're falling down, you have to get up. There will be people who will come, but then you have to get up. That's all I felt.
Or
Sorry to
and
be
like
so large.
no. I mean, you are speaking so beautifully that I felt that, that yes, if I fall, I have to get up myself because I don't have anybody else.
Yes, exactly.
And that's
Because
such a true
same
statement.
I also do.
Yes, it's a
Yeah.
very true statement, and like God helps those who helps
Yeah.
themselves. Okay.
Exactly. Exactly.
So there is a comment for you, Chanel.
Okay.
Okay.
Ask Chandray to share her spiritual knowledge and experience to cope up with her challenges, especially her strong bonding with Almighty God.
We will
I think this question
answer
has been asked
that.
by somebody. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll answer this after one more song. We'll have one more song and then we will answer this particular question. But whatever
Okay.
song you select,
Sure. Sure.
Chandray, it is for those people who actually fall and they get back themselves up themselves. Like, they get up themselves. They don't wait for someone to come and help them. They are actually helping themselves on a daily basis. So any song that you're going to sing, it is for all those people around us.
Okay. Okay. Again, bear with me with lyrics. Yeah. आशा है आशा है आशा है आशा है आशा है आशा है कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई मिल जाए तो खास खास आशा है आशा है आशा है कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई मिल जाए तो खास खास आशा है आशा है आशा है तूफानों को चिर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशा है मेरे दिल की मंजिल उम्मीद की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी ला 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 la 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 la. Okay, so with this, I'm attaching a song. So,
Okay.
yeah, shall I attach a song or
Yes,
else
yes,
I'll do next?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So this song is after Ashai. I would love to sing this song because always remember one thing, love, the word love, we feel that we will be getting, no offense all my parents out there, we feel that we might get that unconditional love from our parents. We might feel that we'll get that unconditional love from our husbands, from our boyfriends, from our friends. It is better if you stop expecting that love from any of one, honestly, because see, everybody have their own challenges, and I feel unconditional love nobody can give you. That's why do not fight and run for love. Just keep your bonding with that supreme soul, whoever you believe, your universe, your some symbol, your power, your god. Just build that connection, and you will feel great. So this song is for you. You all. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel it. That is how I know you go. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel it. That is how I know you gone. Far across the distance and spaces between us, you have come to show you gone. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that my heart does go on. Once more, you open the door. I believe that my heart does go on. Love can touch us one time and last for the lifetime. Love was when I loved you one true time gone. Thank you so much. सुर का थोड़ा इधर उधर हो गया था, but help me. Sorry.
No, no, not at all. It is so soulful music coming from you. And of course, soulful music can only come from a soulful person. Otherwise, you cannot sing like that. It's not just not possible. Any comments?
Yeah.
One song request from Sambit. Sing a bhajan Atsuke Atsuke Shivam.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that at the end. I'll do that at the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Shruti Karma is saying,
Yeah.
if you expect love from me, then you would be getting love only, dear bacha.
Thank you so much. Shruti. Yeah.
Yes. So there was a question that was asked before you started singing the last song. So the question was that you talk about your spiritual journey, how that has helped you to cope with
Yes.
your problems. So yeah, you can talk about that.
So thank you so much for giving me this platform, first of all, to Deepanita Devi, to share particularly this thing. Of course, the whole session was so soothing for me. I really enjoyed, but this thing is very much special for me, and I really search out platforms to speak up about it. Uh, Spirituality helped me to talk with you right now, and it gave me that power to sit in front of you today, and that privilege to speak out my heart, uh, because the almighty power about whom I was talking, uh, he all the time helped me from committing a blunder mistake that half of the youths are trying to commit. I don't want to use that term. Uh, so that really helped me all the time, whenever I wanted to do. Whenever I wanted to do, it's not that I wanted to do, whenever the thought came in my mind, I never really just put my step towards that. But that thought, whenever the thought came in my mind, that time only spirituality helped me to get rid of. So from class 8 only, I had a little Krishna with me, and I used to just play with him whenever I used to eat something I used to give. So that was a really mad thing. I mean, everybody in my family used to laugh at me what I'm doing. This is not the right age to do and all that. Many people told me, who loves Krishna, that girl cannot conceive child. So a lot of things I heard, and it was so funny for me. And then when the every day was passing, when in 2013, I must share with you all, I got admission in St. Xavier's College, Calcutta, in political science honors, where I really faced lot of difficulties, because that time my disability was growing and I could see that time. And but when I entered into this college, that from seeing to hearing, the transition was there. Completely talking software. Right now, I use all types of screen reading software and phone through which I can study, hear, and everything. So that time, St. Xavier's College couldn't understand my difficulty, my challenges, and they couldn't help me out. So I had to drop 1 year, and that time it was very, very, very challenging. Everybody was really hoping me to pass out from Xavier's and Xaverian. But expectation, but more than a Xaverian, it was my life. And many times I went on my terrace and I used to feel, what if I jump from this terrace and all that nonsense thing. I couldn't be a Xaverian. So that time I got my supreme power, my Amma Bhagwan, and uh, he really changed my life through his teachings and through his. And I really believe that there is not only one supreme power. It's our belief, one supreme. There is, all the powers have their one, like sabka malik ek hai, the way Sai Baba says. So the teachings which I heard from Amma Bhagwan, and every day I used to follow the satsangs whichever conducted by the sannyasis through the video calls and all that from the ashrams. Uh, it really helped me. And Bhagwan always says that your life, your life is you. I mean, you didn't make your life. You didn't make your life. You didn't created your life. Your life has been created by supreme power. Biologically, parents did the intercourse and they produced the baby. But the thing is that it's God, it's supreme power who chose your parents to have you as their daughter. And it's really so. I don't know how much people will believe, but I really feel the same. Honestly speaking, my parents are really very good. No offense. They were always with me. They are always with me. But the actual thing, what I was undergoing, what I undergo, uh, it is they cannot understand, to be very honest. So it's only and only my spiritual, my willpower, my God who helped me. And in spirituality, I chant every day. I won't say, but that chanting, maybe I don't chant formally, but I chant throughout the day while doing work, and also practicing meditation. I really feel going to the temple. See, spirituality for me is very simple. It's not going to the temple, giving 1,000 rupees ka laddu, going nange pair, Siddhi Vinayak. For me, see, I'm not offensing also who does. Sorry, I'm not offensing also who does. It is good. It's your belief. But for me, I believe spirituality is uh, your connection with God. How you can connect with God. How so? Maybe it is very like it's very stupid and very unusual, which I will say right now. I talk with God. Maybe the answer is sometimes I could feel, I couldn't feel, but honestly speaking, I could really understand, what is my direction, what I should do, what I should not. So there are many instances which if I say, you will really feel that, oh my God, it really happened. Many times happened. I was about to uh, fall down from like suppose a huge stairs, like if I'm standing, suppose on fourth floor, and I can roll down and fall down. But I could feel if somebody pulled me up from back. It's really very unusual thing, but I could feel many times. So these are my experiences, to be very, very honest. So the overall solution, I believe in solution, much more overall solution through spirituality. I would say all the viewers, whoever is watching right now, that spirituality do not mixed up with religiousness or religion. Spirituality is very different. It is how you connect with people, how your pran shakti grows up. And pran shakti grow up through practices, spiritual practices, and those are yoga, meditation, asan, chanting, through those things. So those really help me. And honestly, maybe it is very much boring in our recent years. But to be very honest, if you come across to the youth group of ISKCON, there are so many youths. My God, when I visited to Bangalore ISKCON, I went to Bangalore for 2 months for my mobility training and to do everything to train myself after my blindness has incorporated in my life. So I have seen there are so many youths who are just madly chanting Hare Krishna. They are playing a song of Hare Krishna and guitar, and they just enjoy. So what I would say is that whoever you believe, whichever Shakti, if you believe Buddha, if you believe Sikh, if you believe Krishna, whoever, if you don't believe anybody, no problem, no problem. If you don't believe anybody, you just, there should be a manual of life. There should be a manual of life. Just follow that manual. The life cannot go on like kahin bhi ja raha hai, ठोकर खाने दो चले जाएंगे. नहीं, there should be a manual. So I feel it's a recommendation from my side. You take or not, that's your choice. It's a recommendation of my from my side. Please, you understand or not, try to just flip the pages of Bhagavad Gita. Please. That's all. Yeah, thank you.
For like after a long time, for the last 4 or 5 months, this is one of the session where I am at complete loss of words. I don't know what to say, because you have said
No,
exactly the
no,
right thing.
no.
And I completely agree with the spirituality and the religious aspect, because people get a lot
Yeah,
mixed up between spirituality and religion. Spirituality
exactly.
makes you very inclusive, so that is one major
Very much,
difference
very
with.
much.
So yeah. And any comments so far? No, no comments. Okay, so we are almost towards the end of the of the session
And
today. But before we do
yeah,
the last song, I want you to tell something about how has been your experience for the last 2 months in Sanhati, while being with so many people from different platforms, different cities, discussing different issues. How had been your experience, and what would you like to tell people about Sanhati?
great. Thank you so much. This is most awaiting thing. Yeah. So, Samhati, so let me brief you about it, whoever is watching me now live, who do not know about Sanghati. So, Sanghati is a platform where Dipanita ma'am tries her level best. Like, I won't say try, she is actually doing. She's a successful counselor, and not only a counselor, she is a, you know, she is basically a spreader, you can say, spreader of goodwill. Like, there are so many things around us or in our mind which gives us a negative vibe all the time. Even it happens with me also. All the time, negative vibe, kisi se kuch sun liya. Suppose if you are dark, people is taunting you. But here, through the processes, through the plethora series of Dipanita ma'am live sessions and the function, like the programs, whatever Dipanita ma'am conducts in the WhatsApp group, especially, it is really a enlightening thing, I must say. And what she does actually, specifically, I must say, so she gives every week one topic, and she asks us to open up and to talk about it. And there are so many people, and I heard about Dipanita Didi that she have really got a award in this pandemic, and it was so. I really don't know what is the award, but then I heard from you. And she used to work as a corporate, if I'm not wrong, but leave, like, she left everything, and for the humanity, for the mankind, she have just devoted her life. And throughout the day, she makes videos for, like, to enrich this mental health issue throughout people. And not only that, she's a very creative person. I have seen her video of Durga after, like, she have included all the issues related to women and all types of, if I am all types of, if I'm not wrong, Didi, so all types of women who who like about their professions and everything, and she have included that in the video. So overall, I really felt nice when I got to know about this group from my aunt, that there's a group about mental health and all that. Will you be interested to come? I said yes, of course, because this work, trust me friends, I'm just concluding in 2-3 lines. um, Trust me, to be very honest, we have to work, right, for our survival. um, but there is really crisis of people like Dipanita Didi, honestly speaking. And due to this crisis, our world is not going ahead, and it is really stagnant. Each and every day problem is happening. In United Nations, there are peace builders, there are lot of things are happening. But then I feel that not after reaching to some extent, some level, then you keep somebody as a peace builder. I don't think it's right. People like Dipanita Didi, I'm not exaggerating, honestly speaking, who left, she didn't think about that, what will be my permanent solution, or what will be my permanent earning, but selflessly she is just continuing this work. And it is very important. And I have heard so many people are there in Sanghati. uh, I know someone, but I don't know I'm permitted to say or not. It's okay. But there are people who were about to commit suicide, like about to give their life, their precious life. Dipanita Didi have saved their life. Can you imagine? Can a corporate do? Can an IS officer do? I don't think so. I really cannot think so. IS officer will think, oh my God, how to get that respect, how to get that lalvatti gari. But then, seriously, I mean, I have nothing to say. But then, these people who are selflessly doing, they are saving a life, man. They are literally saving a life. And I really felt so nice by being a part. So whoever is watching me, please, I would request to you, you also be a part of Sanghati and be a group member of our WhatsApp group. You will learn a lot. It's not only a learning process, but making friends also. And to understand, we always ponder over our issues. I'm not getting promotion, I'm not getting this, I'm not getting that. But there are several issues you don't have any idea also. Here you will share your thoughts, here you will share your challenges, you will learn a lot. So thank you so much to Shangati and Dipanita Didi for making me a part of your group. Thank you. Yeah.
It's an honor for me, for all of us to have you in our group, Chandri. Trust me when I say that
Thank
I
you
don't
so much.
exaggerate a bit. But yes, thank you so much for so many kind words. Actually, suddenly, I feel
No,
like
I
yes.
really told from my heart. It was very genuine.
I'm sure it
Yeah.
is. I'm sure it is. We don't need to fake when we are in this field. We really don't need to do that. Yes.
Right,
So
right.
we would like to
Yeah.
end the session with one song that was requested, that bhajan. I think that is a beautiful way
Yeah,
to end today's
sure,
session. Yeah.
sure, sure. Yeah. Yeah. So it goes like this. अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् रामनारायणं जानकी जानकी वल्लभन। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बेसब्री के जैसे खिलाते नहीं, बेसब्री के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभं। कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं, गोपियों की तरह तुम न चाहते नहीं। हरे कृष्णा।
Hare
Thank you.
Krishna. Hare Krishna. So thank you so much, Chandri, for such a
Thank you
beautiful,
so
soulful
much.
session. And I'm sure we are going to connect and work together. We have a lot to contribute in this world in our own way. We have to do that.
Of course, of course.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for your time, and we'll connect again sometime very soon. Okay. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
everyone.
Shrestha. Thank you,
Thank
Disani.
you to
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Bye.